Hi everyone, in this video we will learn about a multi-control feature of Samsung which will let you access a mouse and keyboard of laptop uh, to accessible in phone. Means you can use laptop's keyboard and mouse to access your phone. For that you need to go to settings on phone and in connected devices go down, then see the multi control option. I have kept on. You need to on this. Now in laptop uh, you have to turn on Samsung settings. This is only for Samsung laptops, and you can use for monitors and TV of Samsung if this feature is available. Here click on multi control. See, turn this on. Now see, uh, it got connected to my S21 FE. As I had already connected this got automatically connected, otherwise it will ask you to connect it. Now see, I have kept this phone on top or left, wherever I want. For showing purpose I will use it in right. uh, then click on apply. Now whenever I use this cursor to take right side of screen, see, now it came in phone. Okay, now you can use like this. See, I can use my phone with this mouse. Now I want anything from phone, I will go to gallery and I need this image and to be in laptop, so I will press and hold this and bring out. Now see, you can see I brought from phone to laptop. Now you can see I used multi-control to send the file from this phone to laptop. Even you can do same thing from laptop to phone also. Bring this, then take it right side. Now see, you can do pop-up view, select, see, it got from laptop to phone. Likewise you can share anything and you can use laptop's keyboard and mouse in phone. This is how you can use the multi control. Thank you for watching, guys.